Welcome to PDFRun. In this video, we'll guide you on how to fill out an MV-82 form. Form MV-82, or the New York Vehicle Registration Form, is used by New York residents to register vehicles, renew vehicle registration, and amend or request a duplicate vehicle registration. To begin filling out this document, click on the Fill Online button. This will redirect you to PDFRun's online editor. Before starting, carefully read the instructions indicated on the form. Make sure that the form is completely filled out, and without any errors to avoid complications. Do not register false or misleading information, as this is punishable by law, and can lead to penalties and imprisonment. In this box, please select from the options what you want to do using this form. Then, provide your current plate number. For the first section, please fill out all the required personal information, as well as for that of your co-registrant, if applicable. First, enter your full legal name. Then, enter your driver's license number. Next, enter your birth date, and select your gender. Enter the same details for your co-registrant. For these boxes, kindly indicate if you have legally changed your name and/or your address. If you have selected yes to a name change, kindly indicate your former name on the field below. Afterwards, enter your landline and mobile numbers, your email, your mailing address, and the address where you reside, if different from the mailing address. For the second section, please fill out details about the vehicle you are registering. First, enter the vehicle identification number, as well as the year and make of the vehicle. Then, select the body type of the vehicle. Next, enter the color of the vehicle, its unladen weight, the type of power or fuel it consumes, the number of cylinders it has, and the odometer reading in miles. If your vehicle is for commercial use, kindly indicate the maximum gross weight, as well as the axles and its distance. If your vehicle is a rental, bus or taxi, kindly indicate its seating capacity. If the vehicle was modified, kindly describe the changes made, on the space provided below. For the third section, if the owner of the vehicle is different from the registrant, the owner must be the one to complete this section. First, enter your New York State license number, followed by your full legal name, and, if applicable, include the name of the vehicle's co-owner. Next, enter your birth date and select your gender. On the space below, enter your full mailing address, followed by your signature, including that of the co-owner, if applicable. Then, indicate the date signed on the rightmost field. For this part, it is to be filled out only by the dealer. First, choose whether the vehicle has no lions, or if the dealer is filing for a single, or multiple lion holders. If it is the latter, on the fields below, provide the lion filing code, the lion holder name, and the lion holder mailing address. If the dealer is located within the state of New York, they must provide the following information: whether they issued plates for the vehicle being registered, including the plate number, the registration class of the vehicle, the date temp issued, and the facility ID number. Complete this part by providing the dealer's signature. The part below must be left blank, as it is to be filled out by the New York State DMV. For the fourth section, please answer the following questions. For question 1, mark yes if the vehicle has been wrecked, destroyed, or damaged, and needed to be restored to its condition before the accident. Otherwise, mark no. For question 2, mark yes if the vehicle is registered for personal use. With this, you may skip ahead to question 3. Otherwise, mark no, and select any of the boxes that may apply to you. For question 3, mark yes if the vehicle has been modified to change its registration class. Otherwise, mark no. For question 4, indicate if your vehicle is a pickup truck that has a maximum unladen weight of 6,000 pounds, and if the vehicle has never been used for commercial purposes. Then, check what kind of plate you are requesting. For the fifth and final section of this form, Please carefully read the details and information under Certification. Make sure that you are abiding by, and fulfilling, the obligations and requirements indicated. Afterwards, print your name, and sign on the space provided below. You may also provide another name and signature, if applicable. Review, and double-check, if all entered information, is correct and accurate. Once finished, click on the Done button to save, download, and print your Form MV-82. To learn more about this form or find other fillable templates, visit www.pdfrun.com.